Warning, King Kong sighted in Myrtle Beach. SOS, this is not a joke. SOS, King Kong is in Myrtle Beach.
Hey everyone, Joel Hansen here, and we made it to PopPop's Pit Barbecue, our third stop on my southern tour here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. This place is an award-winning restaurant, won Best Barbecue many times, and I don't know if you can see, but they literally have this smoker going on this truck, and it smells excellent. So let's head on in, let's do the challenge. It consists of 4 burgers and a large fries. Upon completing it within the 20-minute time limit, you win $200. The prox weight is probably between 5 or 6 pounds. To my understanding, it's only been completed once. So let's go be the second. Record's about 13 minutes, so let's see what we can do.
This is Ivan and the Avocado, the sole winner of the challenge. Take a note what his challenge looks like and let me know if you think mine looks different. Here is mine. And again, Ivan's.
Whatever I don't have, you'll have, is that what you said?
Whatever you don't use.
We gotta throw it away. I used to let people take it home.
Oh yeah?
No, you gotta throw it away.
Why is
You're
that?
done.
Just
Yep, it's just more punishment for you.
just punishment.
Yeah, of course.
Gotta throw away the good food.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, Joel Hansen here. Today we are down at PopPop's Pit Barbecue in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. The best barbecue in Myrtle Beach. We're taking on their Fat Guy Challenge. So we're gonna see how this all tastes. It looks very delicious. We have a large order of fries with a seasoning on them. And then we have 4 legend burgers, which have beef patty, pulled pork, mac and cheese, onion rings,
Bacon,
jalapenos,
hot sauce, barbecue sauce.
barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Sounds great. We have 20 minutes to complete this. If we successfully complete it, we get $200 in return. We paid $50 for the meal, and we don't get that back, but 150 net gain sounds pretty good. So let's start the challenge in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
You got it, Amber?
Yeah.
So what do you think, man? What do you guys think? Think you can do it or not? 20 minutes, it's a lot of food.
Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. And here we are down in Myrtle Beach eating, well, kind of barbecue, kind of burgers, and lots of fries.
Eat the burger straight.
Really close.
For now, I'll let you get to watching the video, and I'll pop back in just a couple moments to add some more commentary. Enjoy!
So what are the winters like up there? Brutal, huh?
Oh, they're awful.
Yeah.
They get up to like minus 30, 35. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit.
Yeah, when it gets like 40 down here, it's like the world's ending. It's crazy.
Yeah.
So,
You guys can snow here?
no.
No.
Nope, if they ever say the word flurries, everybody panics. Like, all the grocery stores are out of bread and milk. Yeah, it's crazy. So
We get like over 6 feet of snow.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Like at once, and then
Not
another
one.
one, and then another one, and
that's nuts.
yeah.
4 minutes run.
It's easy, look at that.
It's growing up in the Canadian wilderness. Taught me to bite, eat for my life.
All right, man. And now you get it on a giant pizza platter. The guy who did it before, he said he was a bodybuilder.
Oh yeah?
And he said he got tired of eating clean all the time, so he just went the other way. So he said he eats everything. He just travels around the country and finds places that have food challenges and eats.
Oh really?
Yeah. He said that's his job.
Sounds like quite the job. Yeah, it sounds tasty, I guess we could say.
so I was able to go strong up until this point. However, that chicken from a couple days ago still wasn't sitting well with me, and so these fries and that super crunchy bacon, well, it wasn't going down easy. You can see the change in my demeanor. I just had to put my head down, get it done, so let's get back to it.
So it looks like we're not going to be 13 minutes, but we're definitely going to win the challenge. So the last two people that have tried it have both won. But I definitely need to come up with something a little bit harder.
How long have you had the challenge?
4 years. So it was all just like regular people trying it, and then it's kind of got out there. I'm gonna pay you money to do it, so people definitely want to try it.
For sure. How many people have you had try it that failed it?
Probably 45, maybe 50. So yeah, so you're one of the 2 guys who've ever done it, man. That's pretty badass. It's done, man. You did it in what? 14:35? That's pretty impressive, man.
All right, so just complete the challenge. About 14, 40, 35. It's really good. I like the burgers. The pulled pork on it and the barbecue sauce was absolutely excellent. Fries were nice, had nice seasoning to it. There's a lot of fries, that's for sure. But 14 minutes, 35 seconds, 40 seconds. So for that, I get $200 cash.
Yep.
So that's always a nice bonus, especially when you're halfway across the continent. So with that, thanks for joining. Until next time, happy eating. Alright everyone, so here with the owner Joe, owner of PopPop's. Great barbecue, great tasting food. I got $200 for completing the challenge, so we get a net gain of 150 American. He also gave me an awesome t-shirt, so super excited about that. So with that, Joe, thanks my man.
You're welcome,
Appreciate
man. Thanks for coming
it.
and trying.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're in the Myrtle Beach area, good food, good barbecue, come on by to PopPop's here.
Yeah, come by and see us, man. We got the best food in town, and we do all right.
Hey, just better than all right. Excellent. Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Ivan, you still have the record. So kudos to him for like 13, it was like 13, I don't know, 13:30, 13:40 I think it was. I was a minute later, so good job to him. They do stop the time when you have all the food in your mouth. I probably won't be back to beat the record, but that's all right. I'm honestly still feeling pretty ill from that wing challenge a couple days ago with half-cooked wings. So if you saw that, yeah. Anyway, no excuses, great challenge. You know you're not in Canada when there's palm trees.
Wait, what do you mean there's no snow? This ain't Canada.
Myrtle Beach, Ripley's Believe It or Not.
I wonder if you should want to chill out.
Tanika, what's that? Hello, today we made friends. Hey buddy, what do you got to say?
It's okay. It's okay. Oh my gosh, hello. Take pictures.
I have a video.
A little cooler out today, not as sunny. See if we can see out there. Kind of overcast, but there is a little duck down there, and he's from Canada. So we met a fellow Canadian down there.
Made it to Charleston, South Carolina. So here we're gonna try some southern food. Check this out. shrimp and grits.
Pecan pie.
This was a huge, fun time down here in South Carolina. We're heading back up to Virginia. So, until next time, sunshine.